Spain has made a significant step toward modernizing its Marine Corps with the selection of the U.S. Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, to replace its aging fleet of AAV-7 vehicles. This decision, reported on March 15, 2025, will see the procurement of 34 units over the next decade, addressing the need for more advanced, versatile vehicles in Spain's naval infantry. The ACV is based on the Italian Iveco SuperAV 8x8, bringing superior amphibious capabilities and enhanced protection to Spain's military forces. Spain's acquisition of the ACV comes after several years of strategic evaluation, dating back to 2022, when the need to replace both the AAV-7 and the Piranha armored vehicles became increasingly urgent. With financial constraints now resolved, Spain is set to replace its current fleet of AAV-7A1 vehicles, 16 personnel carriers, 2 command vehicles and 1 recovery vehicle. This move not only modernizes the Marine Corps but also brings Spain in line with international advancements in amphibious warfare. A key feature of Spain's plan is the domestic production of the ACVs. Collaboration between Iveco Defense Vehicles (IDV) and Indra will ensure that the vehicles are assembled in Spain, primarily at facilities in Madrid and Valladolid. Indra will play a critical role in integrating Spanish-specific systems into the vehicles, reinforcing the country's defense industry. While the exact proportion of locally produced components remains undisclosed, the initiative is in line with Indra's strategy to expand its involvement in armored vehicle production, which will bolster Spain's defense capabilities. The first deliveries of the ACVs are expected in the coming years, with the initial focus on outfitting the 1st and 2nd Battalions of the Tercio de Armada Marine Brigade. These battalions will receive the upgraded vehicles, while the 3rd Battalion will continue using the Piranha IIC 8x8 armored vehicles. The new ACVs will not only enhance the operational capabilities of Spain's Marine Corps but will also play a significant role in the Spanish Navy's broader modernization efforts, including the acquisition of additional 8x8 armored vehicles to replace outdated tanks like the M60. The U.S. Amphibious Combat Vehicle is designed to meet the modern demands of amphibious warfare. Its 8x8 configuration allows for increased mobility on both land and water, a critical feature for naval infantry. The vehicle's propulsion system includes 2 rear-mounted units, enabling it to navigate water at speeds of up to 10 km per hour, and it can operate effectively in Sea State 3 conditions. On land, the ACV's 700 horsepower engine provides a range of 800 km, ensuring long-distance operational flexibility. The ACV's modular design allows for various configurations, such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and UAV integration. It also offers excellent crew protection and can be equipped with a remotely operated turret, capable of housing a 40mm cannon, making it a formidable asset in both combat and defensive operations. The vehicle's ability to carry 13 personnel, including a 3-member crew, along with its 10-ton payload capacity, further underscores its operational versatility. The ACV's design is based on the Italian Iveco SuperAV, which has been adapted for the U.S. Marine Corps and other international forces. As part of its preparation for the new vehicle, Spain is closely monitoring ACV developments in the US and Italy to ensure interoperability with allied forces. Spain's Marine Corps is also evaluating the potential for future ACV variants, including those with specialized weaponry like the 105mm or 120mm cannon-equipped 8x8 vehicles. In addition to its amphibious capabilities, the ACV has already proven itself in international exercises, such as Balikatan 24 in the Philippines, where U.S. forces conducted live-fire drills using the vehicle. This experience has highlighted the ACV's effectiveness in real-world combat scenarios, further solidifying its value as Spain's new amphibious assault vehicle of choice. With the introduction of the U.S. Amphibious Combat Vehicle into its fleet, Spain is taking a significant step toward modernizing its Marine Corps, ensuring its readiness for future naval and amphibious operations. This acquisition aligns with Spain's broader defense strategy, enhancing its domestic production capabilities and reinforcing its role in international military cooperation. As the first deliveries approach, the Spanish military looks forward to the operational integration of these advanced vehicles, which promise to enhance both the capabilities and efficiency of Spain's naval infantry for years to come.